I've got a fun one for you today. My girlfriend loves getting subscription boxes, and I watch her open them every month, and they look like a lot of fun. So I decided I'm going to open one of hers. So today, I've got BeautyFIX by the DermStore. So for this box, my girlfriend paid $25, but they say it's worth over $100. Let's see what I think about that. Alright. We're here for the unabashed love of skin. Alright, cool. Some nice little black ribbons. Okay. BeautyFIX by DermStore. Fresh for fall. Alright, they got some fun products. Ooh. Let's see what this is. Vichy. Vichy. It's in some different languages. LiftActiv Peptide-C by Vichy Laboratories. I don't know what this is. Peptide-C. Oh, anti-aging. There you go. Alright, another little guy here. Age Smart. Multivitamin Power Firm. Ooh, you could firm yourself up. I'd say this one's at least $10. This one, we'll go with 3. So we're at $13 so far. Bioderma Lab. That's in a different language for sure. Oh, I found the English. Shine Control Moisturizer. I think that's to control the shine on your face? Yeah, we'll go with that. Alright. Oh, this one I get. Daily Mineral Sunscreen. Alright. What's this little vial? This is a green liquid in like a dropper vial. But I can't read it because it's a dark green liquid and the writing is black. So, let's see. If you hold it up to the light. Botanical gel for hyperpigmentation. I have no idea what that does. One more. I think just one more. Yep, because there's lots of these. Yep, that's it. Alright, last one. Supreme Moisture Mask. Instant/overnight hydration booster. Today fresh batch. I don't know. It's a mask. You got that. It says fresh in English, French, and it looks like Japanese. Fresh skincare. Alright. So, let's see. We're talking $100, right? So if this is worth $100, how do we get that? So the mask, $10. Okay, so now we need 90. This guy I said was 10, so that's 80. Sunscreen, we'll go with another 10, so that's 70. This is definitely 5, right? This little guy is only 0.17 US fluid ounces. So that's 35. This is going to be another 10. So that's 45. That means this little vial is worth $55 plus. All in all, I'd say that was a success. Tell me guys what you think in the comments. I hope you liked this unboxing. Maybe I'll do some more. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Like a real man, I completely ignored the instructions that came with the box. I tell you exactly what each product is. So kudos to DermStore. That's a great idea to have this right in the box. For guys like me who have no idea what these are, they have details and descriptions of each one.